This video will introduce the installation process of rack mount industrial switches. I'll give a brief show of front panel, back panel, and accessories of the IES 512028TS switch. Before you begin the installation, make sure that you have the following tools. And be careful of the following notes. Then comes the specific steps of switch chassis installation. Step 1. Installing the mounting brackets. Secure the mounting brackets to the two sides of the switch chassis with M4 screws. Step 2. Installing the switch. Align the mounting bracket closely with the sidewall of the switch and secure it with 4 M6 screws. Step 3. Grounding the switch. Remove the grounding screw from the switch. Next, attach the grounding wire to the switch screw. Connect one end of the grounding wire to the grounding point on the switch. And secure the other end to the rack. Step 4. Power on the device. First, let's connect the AC power cord. Attach the power cord fixers to the side holes of the AC power port. Next, pull the power cord fixers upward. Step 5. Final check. After finishing the above steps, observe if the device starts up normally. Ensure that the power and front panel LED indicators are lit green. Installation complete. Thanks for watching.